Jeliku was named from its Chinese name, Jeliku, which means the special and astonishing connection between each frame. The design seems ordinary, but there are unlimited possibilities and transformations. You can bend, shuttle, stack, and combine Jeliku at will to create many interesting shapes. Jeliku is fit for people of all ages to have a great fun time. You can play Jeliku anytime, anywhere, without any limitations. We hope Jeliku will bring happiness and creativity to people worldwide. Let's make more fun! Jeliku consists of many U-frames. You can rotate around each joint easily. To bend each frame with different angles is the basic way to play Jeliku. Each frame can be compacted neatly to simplify figure or form plain surface. Jeliku is composed of ascending frames, using the smaller one to shuttle other frames to build complicated models. Roll up with 2, 3, 4, or more pieces together to create a design with artistic sense. Connect the adjacent frames or many Jeliku together to create a unique and great piece of architecture.